everyone, I'm Sam Gerber. I'm a full-time professor up here at NMSU-A. Today we're going to talk about our information technology program. The Associate of Applied Science and Information Technology is designed to provide training and skills required for employment in the information technology or IT career field. Employment for IT is available from the expanding computer service industry. This industry is one of the fastest growing employment industries. Information technologists install, maintain, administer, and manage computer networks. The degree focuses on networking fundamentals such as networking communication, networking operating systems, personal computer hardware and software principles, PC and network security, support center operations, and database management. All information technology majors are required to complete an internship program within their sophomore year.
Some of what I did here was I learned hardware PC maintenance, how to disassemble and reassemble computers. I learned the basics of networking and more complex networking like security. We also went through and talked about how you would wire those networks and go.
When I took the hardware PC maintenance class and a few of the other IT classes here in the ProTech building, we had a poster that it was quite outdated. With permission from the original creator of the poster, who last updated it in 2016, and unfortunately did not have the files needed to make a proper updated one. So I had to take his file and essentially reverse engineer it in Photoshop to add in additional CPU sockets and RAM modules that were missing. I would say with the NMSU IT program, a lot of it's just been a major refresher because I did do a lot of IT studying as a kid. I already had a good understanding and I'd previously taken my A+ well over a decade ago. So this has been a good refresher getting back into the IT program and trying to get back into the IT career sectors.